On the 27th of February 2023, Oppo South Africa actually launched the A78 5G, and it's classified as one of the most affordable world-class technology smartphones in the South African market. And today we have a good video. Today we're actually unboxing the Oppo A78 5G. So let's dive straight into it. I can't wait anymore. Alright. This box does not want to let go. So the Oppo A78, some of the specs on the box: it comes with a 33 watt Super VOOC fast charging. It comes with 5000 milliamp hour long lasting battery, a 50 megapixel AI camera, and dual stereo speakers. Right, let's try and get this right. Okay. So right out the box, we have some documents that are keeping the phone very safe. You can see the phone is right here, and super excited. Oh, this is not just documents. Okay, we have our SIM card remover, quick start guide, and our safety guide. There's something on the back of the safety guide, but they're also giving us a clear case for us to use with the phone. That's super cool. I can see some perforations here. What is this? Oh, this is the warranty card of the phone. Cool. Right. So here we go. You guys ready? There we go. This is the Oppo A78 5G. Woo! Two lovely big cameras right here. So, as you can see, Super VOOC 5000, 50 megapixel AI, dual speakers. Wow! Gosh, this is such a lovely phone. And this, I think it was glowing blue. This glowing blue, gosh. The edges are actually in a brushed aluminium finish, and a bit of the back also, and then there is this glowy bit around the camera. What a lovely looking phone. Okay, let's not get too lost. Let me put it into the case and everything. Okay, so that's the phone. We've looked at the documents. Let's see what else is included. So they include the Super VOOC 33 watt fast charger, and it's quite a big block, I must say. It is quite a big block. And they also include a USB to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So I appreciate the fact that they actually send out a charging block, and especially one with their 33 watt Super VOOC fast charging. I really appreciate that. But I mean, let's turn on this phone real quick. Oppo, powered by Android. Color OS. So on the phone itself, I think the front-facing camera is a sort of notch. This phone has a bit of a notch design, and the front-facing camera is a 8 megapixel front-facing camera, And at the back we have our 50 megapixel main, as well as a 2 megapixel self-portrait lens. On the side we have our fingerprint reader built in, so similar to my A78, how the side fingerprint reader is built in. And then at the bottom we have our dual stereo speaker, our USB-C, our headphone jack, and then our 2 power buttons, as well as the SIM card slot. I think you guys hear me saying this a lot of the time, but this is actually one of my first phones outside of the Samsung Huawei division. And I mean, to receive something like this as my first phone to review, it's super cool because this is actually competing alongside some of the Samsung and Huawei phones. And I like to see how this performs. But anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. This has been the unboxing of the Oppo A78 5G, and you guys can stay tuned to see much more content and the full review of this coming soon. I'll see you in the next one.